Namaskar, Khush aur Bidyaon. My name is Dr. Asma Khan, Department of Fashion and Interior, Faculty of Education and Methodology. Session name Inspection and the importance of inspection. In apparel quality evaluation, inspection is started at the stage of raw material and the fabric sourcing, coming and receiving in the industry, in the fabric store. Fabric sourcing inspection is the first inspection. After cutting and in between cutting is the second inspection. In the time of production, manufacturing and the stitching quality evaluation is third inspection. At the time of alteration, fourth inspection. At the time of pressing, fifth inspection, and the last is final inspection. Basically, the inspection is categorized in three steps: fabric sourcing inspection, in process inspection, and final inspection. Garment inspection is an important term in the ready-made garment sector. Quality inspector in the apparel inspection who certify the garment export order whether it is perfect or shipping or not. Quality inspector has to ensure perfect quality according to buyer's instruction in various stages of garment inspection which have discussed. First is raw material inspection. When fabric is receiving in the fabric store manager and their helpers are checking the fabric in different manner. First is raw material inspection. A quality inspector should check various matters according to buyer's instruction in the raw material inspection stage of garment. Those are yarn defects such as thick and thin, knitting defects in the knitting fabric, knitting defects, fabric constriction, warp and weft, length and width, and selvage checking, fabric GSM, weight of the fabric, fabric shade matching. In the quantitative fabric and the different load will become in the different load was come in the fabric store. Fabric store manager is checking the fabric shade matching for the betterment of production manufacturing. Fabric holes, fabric defects, sewing threads, zipper, fabric softness, fabric width, vertical stripes, horizontal stripe, fabric shrinkage, defective printing, defective embroidery, defective button, dirt, stain in fabric. So many checking was done in the fabric sourcing department in the first step of quality inspection is fabric sourcing inspection. The next and the important step in process inspection I already discussed in the inspection slide. In process inspection is the second and the most important inspection. A quality inspector should ensure different matter according to buyer's instruction in production stage of garment. Those are collar and cuff matching, sewing and thread matching, cutting patterns, stitching, absence of the stitching, needle holes and marks, unbalanced sleeve edges, unbalanced plackets, open seam, puckering. Puckering is the effect which is wave on the seam line. Garment length, shoulder length, body width, shoulder length, placket length, armhole opening, sleeve length, rib collar width, hemming width, neck opening, incorrect side shape, broken and missing stitch, button hem bowing, uneven neck shape, cutting shape, stitching defects, measurements, and buttons. Finishing inspection. A quality inspector should check different issue according to buyer's instructions in finishing stage of the garment. This is also in process inspection. In process inspection is classified in several heads. A quality inspector should check different issue according to buyer's instruction in finishing stage of the garment. Those are poor ironing, dirt and stain, backboard, collar stay, butterfly, neckboard, carton, draw code, size stripe, pocket flasher, hang tag, photo inlay, price ticket, poly bag, tissue paper. In the inspection, finishing inspector and the pressman clearly check these steps. Final inspection. This is very important, and the company's inspector come for the checking of the product and completely with the barcode, with the remote sensing, carton packing, plastic packing, everything is checked in the final inspection. A quality inspector should confirm various matters according to buyer's instruction. In final inspection stage of garment, those are shade variation from one part to another part of garments, garment measurement with allowance from buyer's provided measurement chart, collar and sleeve balanced, pockets correct, absence of fabric faults and stains, appearance correct, pattern matching, absence of misstitching, seam finished correctly, accessories correctly applied and working, correct labeling. What is final inspection? Final inspection is very important. Checking the overall look of the garment, checking the product to product looking, collar and sleeve balanced, it is important in the shirt, pocket correct, absence of the fabric fault and stain, appearance correct, overall appearance is correct. If the overall appearance of the two products are different, the inspector checking all the lot and all the dispatch products for the betterment of final products. Pattern matching, maybe sometimes the pattern change, absence of misstitching, sometimes stitching is missing in the final production, fault of the production, absence of the misstitching, seam finished correctly, sometimes seam is not finished correctly and the product are dispatched, that time inspector correctly check in the final inspection. Final inspection is done by the in-house inspector, or sometimes inspector come from the buyer's company or the buyer order company. Accessories correctly applied and working, correct labeling. Thank you so much. This session is powered by 2.0 digital version Jyoti Vidyapat Women's University. Inspection is very important in the garment manufacturing, in the fabric manufacturing. In garment manufacturing, 3 type of inspection was done. Fabric sourcing inspection for the betterment of fabric quality, in process inspection for the betterment of better quality of cutting, stitching and finishing, final inspection in-house for the better quality of final product. Sometimes it is done by the in-house inspector or sometimes it is done with the buyer's company inspector. Thank you so much.